All right, guys, welcome back to this training. Good day. Hope you all are having a very fantastic day, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. Yeah, once again, my name is Concord, and in this video, we've been considering how to design a website, like how to design a website. So in the previous video, we talked about what a website is basically, and the two types of websites and the other kinds of websites and other stuff. And we also talked about some basic web designing terminologies that every web designer must know. Okay, so today quickly we're going to be jumping into how to acquire hosting and domain and SSL certificate for a website. Of course, we've talked about what hosting, what domain, and what SSL is in the previous video. So quickly, let's go to Namecheap, because that is where we'll be getting hosting and domain and SSL from. Okay, so we are now in Namecheap's platform. So what you do is you go to your browser, you type namecheap.com, and you load it, and it's going to bring you here. Okay, now before I go ahead to do this explanation, I want you to know that Namecheap is not the only platform out there that deals with domain and hosting and all of this stuff. There are other platforms like Host, Q servers for Nigerian companies and the host of them, and there are also Bluehost, HostGator, and others like that in the international in the international phase. So with that being said, I am recommending you to use Namecheap, because Namecheap is what I use. Namecheap is what I've been using since I started doing web designing. Why? Because Namecheap, they are reliable and their customer service is great. Like, they attend to you whenever you having any issue with any website as swiftly as possible, and they get those issues resolved. So I recommend Namecheap to anyone that is trying to design any website, especially if you are a beginner. Okay, so quickly let's dive into what we are here for. Now, to buy a domain name, remember, you already know what a domain name actually means. So to buy a domain name, you are first of all supposed to search for the availability of that name. Okay, search for the availability of that domain name. Domain name is usually the name of the business.com, or the name of the business.com.ng, or the name of the business.ng, or the name of the business.org, or .tv, or .ai, and .blog, and so forth. Okay, now there are those .com, .ng, and stuff like that are called extensions. They are extensions that are added to the business name to turn it into a domain name. Okay, now those extensions are important, and but if you are looking to have a website, the extension that I advise you to work with, or I would advise you to advise your clients to go with, is the .com extension. Why? Because it is the most popular and it is the most used, okay, around and all over the world. .com is the most popular and the most used. That's why you need to use .com, because almost every other person is using .com, which is how it is. Okay, it is. Then there are other extensions like .ng. .ng is used if you are trying to build a website for a business that is trying to focus on the Nigerian market alone. Okay, because NG there stands for Nigeria. Then we have the .com.ng. .com.ng is also targeting the Nigerian audience actually, but .com.ng is less expensive compared to .com and compared to .ng. Okay, .com.ng is like one of the least expensive, but our advice, let me repeat that one more time, our advice, use .com, okay, use.com. Unless your client says they cannot really afford to make use of .com, then you can ask, do .com.ng. But Namecheap does not do .com.ng or .ng because Namecheap is an international platform. So if you want to use .ng or .com.ng, go and find Q Servers or Hugos or any other Nigerian platform. But note, .ng is very expensive. It costs around 9,000 naira to get that. Okay, so let's dive into now. Let's assume we are using .com. So let's assume the brand you want to build a website for is like a shoe brand, a shoe making brand, or a brand that sells shoes. And they say, okay, build a website for us. The first thing you want to do, what's the name of the brand? So let's imagine the name of that brand is let's say Concourse Shoe World. Okay, yeah, let's imagine that's the name of the brand. .com, and we search for the availability of this domain name. Let's search for the availability of this domain name and see if it is available for us to to buy or not. It is very important. If it is not available, then you can't buy it anywhere. If it's not available on Namecheap, then be rest assured that it is not available on any other platform like this anywhere else. Okay, so thankfully it is available. So what are we going to do? The next thing we want to do is what? Click on add to cart. You can see the figure. Right, you can see it's $8.88. Notice something here. It says 33% off. Okay, 33% off. That means if I copy, let me copy this now, right? Let me copy this. That is like a coupon code. A coupon. So let me click on add to cart. We're going to apply that coupon code later to reduce. Okay, so we've added to cart. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to get our hosting. So go to hosting, go down, click on shared hosting. I hope you're following me. Click on shared hosting, then you come down here and you're going to see so what we have here, there are 3 different hosting plans. Okay, there is the Stellar hosting plan, there's the Stellar Plus hosting plan, and there's the Stellar Business hosting plan. Yeah, so now what's the difference between these 3? Of course, you can already see the price difference, and you can look at the what they all imply on the screen right now. Okay, but don't use Stellar Plus or Stellar Business if what you are trying to build is just a normal website without so much information. Okay, just a normal website like an everyday website. Okay, if you are planning to build an everyday website, just come and use Stellar. Okay, in fact, if you use Stellar, you get access to building 3 websites on this Stellar plan. Yeah, if you use Stellar Plus, you can build unlimited number of websites. Okay, if you use Stellar Business, you can build unlimited number of websites too. All right, which is good. And Stellar Business comes with cloud storage to make it safer. Yeah, so that's that about that. So now let's click on. Well, now we are building a normal website. We don't want any. We are not doing any serious stuff. Normal website, normal corporate website, or normal whatever kind of website, as long as it doesn't require lots of videos. If you are building a website like YouTube, you are supposed to make use of what? Stellar Plus or Stellar Business. If you're using a website like any website that, or like Udemy, like any website that would contain a lot of videos and a lot of information like that, you want to use any of these two. If not, use Stellar. So we click on get started. So as you can see, you are going to be paying you're going to be paying $27 for the domain and hosting, right? So you come here, click on add to cart. Click on add to cart. Then it's going to ask you to confirm order. This is where let's insert that promo code here. So I'm just going to insert the promo code here. Let me insert the promo code here. Remember that promo code, right? Let's see. Okay, good. Let me apply it. Oh, okay. Let me log in. I didn't log in. Let's log in now. If you okay, let me just use this person's account to log in since I'm not. This is the account of the last website I designed for a client. So, oh no. Okay, let me go back. Let me use my account. I can't access this person's let me use my account. Okay, let me cancel this. Okay, so let me try logging in, right? Where is this okay, yeah. So let me sign in and continue. Are you serious? Let me try that again. Let me try that again. Oh, I guess I have to pause this video. I guess I can't remember my password now. Let me pause this video and then fix that quickly. Okay, sorry about that. So I've tried logging in. They sent a verification code to my mail, and I'm inserting that now and I'm submitting it. And yeah, we're back here. Okay, so we'll continue from where we stop. Yeah, let's go to carts, view carts. There's nothing in the cart. Okay, guess we'll have to start afresh again. Let's start afresh. Sorry about this. Okay, let's quickly start afresh. If you didn't get to the first time, kindly pay attention now. So we are using Concord's shoeword.com, right? And it's available, and we are copying this. Remember, we are copying this, Ctrl C, and we'll come to, let's add this to carts. think it's displaying here already. So let's just quickly do this here. So let's insert the promo code. Yeah, let's apply. Oh, it has expired already. Okay, no problem. If it were not so, it would have worked for you. So anyway, we confirm order. Click on confirm order. Click on confirm order. It brings us down here where we are supposed to pay $27 to get access to the hosting and domain. Now, if you buy hosting from these guys from Namecheap, they are going to be giving you SSL for free, but it does not work like that with other platforms. Other platforms you have to pay for SSL separately. Okay, so you have to click on terms and agreements. You have to tick it before you click on pay now. But I'm not going to click on pay now because I don't want to pay for that. Okay, but in your own case, you click on pay now and it's going to take you to done. As soon as you click on pay now, they are going to send you mails. Okay, they're going to send you, and then she's going to send you like 2 mails, an average of 2 mails. The first one would be a receipt. Okay, you can see order summary, order blah 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 blah. They're going to send you a receipt. Then the second one is going to send you your hosting account details. Okay, your hosting package details. So you open that, you scroll down, you're going to see everything about your hosting. Then you're going to see your cPanel details. Remember we talked about cPanel details. Okay, so what you do is when you open this cPanel details, when you click on it, Namecheap is going to take you to, you're going to be led to your cPanel. So you're supposed to now log into your cPanel, and after logging into your cPanel, you're now able to do some cPanel work. Okay, so in the next video I'll be showing you how to log into your cPanel. What I'm going to do in the next video, let's go back to the slide. In the next video I'll be showing you how to log into your cPanel and and to your web and create a webmail for your website project. I'm also going to be showing you in the next video how to set up autoresponders and folders for your website project, and also how to install WordPress on a website. These are the things we are going to cover in the next video. See you in the next video. Thank you.